Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Paramountz. Paramountz is an app produced by Mosh and it is a traffic generation software that flood websites with premium quality high converting traffic from over 300 sources. Yes, that is what Mosh is saying about this app. So guys, before I go any further, kindly click the bell icon down there for notification, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button. And as usual guys, I shall also be adding some of my bonuses today once you grab through my link that is on the description box below. Just click on that link and then it takes you to my bonus page. And actually these are my 5 awesome bonuses that I shall be adding today once you grab through my link. But before then guys, I'm going to take you to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about this software. So Mosh is saying today that you get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 different sources with this groundbreaking one-click traffic app. So these are some of the features of this app. So like I said earlier, you get unlimited free buyer traffic from 300 premium sources. You enjoy a hands-off automated business, no content creation or technical skills required, already working for beginners. You replace 9-to-5 income with consistent daily sales, nothing to learn or set up. Start earning today. No recurring fees ever. Only pay it you get. Says only pay if you get results, and you have a 30-day money back guarantee. Yes, this is what he's saying, that if once you grab this app and it doesn't work for you, that you have up to 30 days to return it and be fully refunded, no questions asked. Okay, so let's see the three steps that you can deploy to be able to use this app. So the first one is just, of course, you purchase it to be able to log in. You log in and then you can copy and paste any link to promote. And then the third step will be you just press send and start earning. Yes, that is what he is saying. So from the look of things, from what he has said, I don't think it looks that complicated to get started with. But in a minute guys, I'm going to take you also to the demo video so that we can see and also take a listen to what he has to say about this app. But don't forget guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into more details. But don't forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, because it's through the link that you will be able to access my bonuses once you purchase this app. Actually, now let me take you guys. Okay, he actually added I think he added a bonus to this once you grab this pack in a minute. So this is the this is the bonus that he has added. So it says it's a 6-figure store builder. So you use this done for you store building software to turn any WordPress site into an automated income generating machine. So with built-in free traffic generation and automated sales technology, is set it and forget it. And the value is $97. Speaking of bonuses guys, let me quickly take you guys to my own bonuses so that you can take a peek. So this is the first one that I have added. So you have access to JavaScript commission bots. And a big shout out to Jonah Armstrong for making these bonuses available. So the second one is a 10K email manifesto case study. The third one is my third bonus is the YouTube super traffic hack. And then the fourth one is also a hack, the get the lockdown formula. It's a hack that shows you how to get the lockdown formula. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses. Guys, I've shown you the sales page. I've shown you the bonuses that I have added, plus the one that Mosh also included in his pack. And then guys, let's talk about the prices and the upsell. So about the prices, so with the front end, with just $17, you have access to all my bonuses, provided you click on the link that is in the description box below. That link will bring you here to my page. And if you're purchasing through Warrior Plus guys, this is what you get. through Warrior Plus. If you click on this, where the blue button is, click on that blue button. My bonuses shall be automatically added. If it is through JVZoo that you signed in from, click on the red arrow down there, the blue box, and then my bonuses shall instantly be added, guys. All right, now I have shown you my bonuses. I've shown you let's talk about the prices and the upsells. So the front end, like I said, guys, with $17 all the bonuses shall be added. And then the upsell one, which is the OTO one, is $47. The OTO 2 is $67, and then the OTO 3 and 4 is $97, while the OTO 5 is $197, guys. And these are some of the benefits that you will get. Like I already mentioned earlier, we talked about it. We saw this on the front, on the sales page. Like get unlimited buyer traffic and all of that. Already, let me take you guys quickly to the members area. So this is, once you log in, this is what you get. This is what you see once you log in. So you can view the downloaded pages, total posting campaigns, and then the automations right here. Also on the left hand side, this of course is the dashboard. From here you can see the latest deals from, this is actually the latest deals from JVZoo. So if you click on this, you see the sales page of those products, and also you can also grab deals by clicking on that button right there. So on the left hand side, you also have other options there, like to import account, page builder. If you click on it, it takes you all these ones. Now we cannot go past this because this members area is sort of limited, and that is just for demo purposes. And then you can also check, click on the page builder. You can create one, or you can download pages. This is for social media share, depending on whichever one that you are into, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and all of that. You can also see the Facebook poster, Facebook comment bots, Instagram poster, and all that. And this is the subscribe manager, the email marketing, SMS marketing, the e-commerce. There's also traffic marketing analysis, the backlink and ping analysis. There's also utility tools, the website comparison. There's then also training right here. If you click on it, that's where you have all your trainings. And then the support desk. If you have questions or issues, you can click on that and then submit a ticket. So guys, this doesn't seem, it doesn't really look complicated at all. Everything is just on the left hand side, clickable, depending on which feature that you upgraded to. All right, guys, and then this is from here you can log in and out. You can, this is the, there's also a notification icon right there. And guys, do not forget, guys, I have shown you the sales page. I have shown you, this is the demo video, and then I've shown you my bonuses as well as these, and then the prices and upsells. If this really sounds like something you like, or you know somebody that will be interested, guys, do not forget to share. Do not forget to click the bell icon for notifications, subscribe, like, and then, guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys stay safe and bye.